Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I would love for you to join my little family. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below and turn on the notification bell. So in today's video I'm going to be making my 2021 vision board. I wasn't going to do this and then I saw it earlier, someone did it and I was like, I really want to do that, and what better way to show you guys as I do it. So oh, a little bit of a weird hair going on there. What's going on there? Oh, it's not a hair, it's just my scrunchie. Okay, so in true Hale style, I just realised that my iPad is too old to actually screen record, but I just found an app called Record It, Screen Recorder, so I've just downloaded it and I'm going to give it a go and hopefully it'll work in the same way and I can like add the clip in, because obviously I can't screen record on my phone because I film my phone. Okay, so we're now recording. So what I'm going to do is go to Pinterest. Okay, so I've just moved along so that I can pop my screen recording here. So let's log in to Pinterest. I just quickly grabbed my planner because I want to like look through. If you saw my goals video, I'll link it up here. That I wrote my goals for 2021. So I kind of want to go from like a reference of that and then base my vision board based on my goals. So I'm just going to open up my page where I wrote my yearly goals. So the first thing I'm going to search for is yoga things. I'm just going to write, I was watching one of these videos earlier and the girl I watched, she basically said like a tip is if you want to have like nice pictures, like write aesthetic when you search for things. Like, so I'm going to put yoga, aesthetic, yeah. So I'm going to look through and find some pictures. I'm just going to go through and save things. I'm probably going to speed some of this up because we could be here forever otherwise. Like this one, I made another board before. I had quite a lot of similar stuff like that on it. This one, today it'd be the badass girl you were too lazy to be yesterday. I like that. And then I'm going to go, this might be a bit weird, but I'm going to type in Megan Grubb because she's someone that I found really inspiring this year. So I'm going to whack a picture of Megan Grubb on my Pinterest board because she's a queen, so why not? I'm going to take that one with the pink curtain. That's cute. Is that weird? I don't know. I want to make this board a bit random compared to my other board. My other board, I'll put a picture in on my other board I made, and it's basically very pinky. But this board I thought I would make it very, lots of stuff going on, like. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to save. So I'm going to put saving aesthetic. Hopefully get some cute photos. I'm just going to type in saving money jar. And what can we get? I like this one, even though it's not, I want to save for travel and I want to save for a house. I'm just going to do that one that says adventure fund because I do want to save for travel as well. And then I'm going to do, let's type in, I want to move out at some point this year, but I don't know if it will happen, but I'm going to pop it on the board and hope that will inspire me. Let's just type in moving out. I'm literally typing aesthetic after everything. Oh, I like this. It's not got anything to do with moving out, but it says think happy thoughts. So I'm going to save that one. That's the quote that's on my band if you've seen me talk about that before. I'm just going to type in moving out boxes and see if I bring up some like cute boxes. Well, not really cute, but you know, that'll do. Just some boxes, just so I can think of the boxes and then think about like moving out. Okay, next I'm going to do, I want to get a camera. So I'm just going to type in Canon camera. I don't know what one I want yet, but I'm just going to type in Canon camera. Actually, let's go for G7X because it's either going to be G7X or There's another one that some of my YouTube friends have got, which is a bit cheaper, but for now I'm just gonna take a picture of a camera like this, and that's gonna go on my board. Pictures, so now I'm going to go and start putting my vision board together. So we're back on screen record, and I'm just going to go into Canva. I don't actually use this app very often. I know a lot of people use Canva, but I did use it before to make my other vision board, so I'm just going to use it for this one as well. So what I want to do, if I can got to remind myself how to do this, is just make a custom design. No, I don't want to do a custom design. I just want to make like a plain, like a white, I just want a plain one. And I'm just going to go and I'm going to like add all my photos in, and then I'm going to move them around. So go to my camera roll and I'm going to select all of my pictures. Right, that's working, I think. Right, one by one, I'm just adding in all of my pictures. Ah, here we go, that's better. So I'm just going to like move them around for a bit, de-size like make them smaller obviously because they've all got to fit on. How do I delete it? There's my camera. I'm finally back. It took me so long. Eva's actually sat on my bed waiting for me to go out because she's that bored. So I'm just looking at my vision board now on my iPad, and I'm gonna pop it on the screen as I talk about it quickly. So basically, I've got a variety of different things. Lots of good vibes. I've got a picture of Megan Grubb there. Those random shoes just because I want to see like friends more this year. Yoga things and like meditation because I want to start more meditation. The quote says, "May you be safe, may you be healthy, may you be happy, may you live with ease." Lots of YouTube things. I've actually put in there a little YouTube. I kind of made like a little, edited in a little, I edited in my YouTube thingy so that it says, that one says 1.67 subscribers because I want to at least hit over 1k. So I just found that and I just edited it in. So that's my little goal, like manifesting that. I've got quotes. Remember that you're the reason you're doing this, to make your life better. Thoughts become things. I'm creating the life of my dreams. I've got a little Buddha thingy, which was like in Thailand because I do want to go to Thailand. I don't know if I'll get to go this year, but it is one of my goals anyway. I've got a little nice aesthetic room thing and things like that because I would like to move out obviously at some point. Got a plane because obviously want to get on a plane this year. I've got the adventure fund because I want to save. The subscribe thing, so more subscribers. YouTube related again, I've got the Canon camera because I would love to get a camera by the end of the year. Be the badass girl you were too lazy to be yesterday. And I've got at the bottom the little shopping do you need it thingy. Think happy thoughts, how to monetize your YouTube channel because I want my channel to be monetized by the end of the year hopefully. Yeah, lots of little things that hopefully are going to motivate me this year. And in the bottom I've got all this one with the eye mask. It's got a picture of a journal because I started with my journaling, want to do more journaling. It's got a little eye mask on it. It's got a little like hot drink, a candle and a cat because those are all the things that I love. And yeah, I really love the way it's turned out. I'm gonna pop this as my new background on my iPad and my my Mac. My old one is currently on here at the moment, which I still love this one, but I'm going to pop that new one on later on. So yeah, that is how I made my 2021 vision board. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it interesting and inspiring. I hope you found it motivating to make your vision board. So if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new here to help me reach those goals, and turn the notification bell so you don't miss my video. And I will see you soon for a new video, guys. Bye!